Hi there, welcome to my channel Brain Equation. Today I am here to solve another great problem, which is x plus y is equal to 2 and the product of xy is equal to 48, where xy are unknown. To find out these values, first of all give names to this equation, equation 1, equation 2. So from equation 1 we can bring x to the other side. So from equation 1 we can write this equation in term of x. Y is equal to 2 minus x. Bring x to the other side. So now insert this value in the equation 2. In equation 2, we will plug in this value. So x times 2 minus x, bracket close, is equal to 48. Now multiply x with 2 minus x. 2x minus x square is equal to 48. So in the next step, bring 48 to the left hand side. 2x minus x square minus 48 is equal to 0. Now we will arrange this equation. We can write it x minus x square plus 2x minus 48, so is equal to 0. So we want to remove this minus sign, so we will multiply this equation by minus 1. Multiply by minus 1, then we will get minus 1 x square plus x square minus 2x and plus 48 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 48. So the quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So x is equal to, now insert the values of a, b and c, minus 2 plus or minus square root minus 2 square minus 4 times 1, a is 1 times 48, c is 48 over 2 times 1. So in the next step, x is equal to, minus minus will give plus 2, plus or minus square root, it is equal to 4 minus 4 times 48 is minus 192 over 2. So in the next step, x is equal to minus plus 2 plus or minus square root 4 minus 192 will give us minus 188 over 2. So now we can write it 2 plus or minus. We can separate this minus sign from 188. We can write minus 1 square root times square root 188. Square root minus 1 times square root 188 over 2. So x is equal to, in the next step, x is equal to, now we want to evaluate this 188. So 188 divided by 2, it will give 94. 188 divided by 2 give 94 and 94 divided by 2 give 47. So 2 multiplied by 2 gives 4. So we have x is equal to 2 plus or minus square root minus 1 is I and square root 188 is 4 times 47. 4 times 47 square root over 2. So it is equal to, x is equal to 2 plus or minus I, square root of 4 is 2 and times square root 47 over 2. So in the next step, x is equal to, we can write it 2 plus or minus 2 times square root 47 times I over 2. Now divide both this and this by 2. X is equal to 2 over 2 plus or minus 2 square root 47 times I over 2. So here in the next step 2 will go with the 2, 2 will go with 2. Here we will get x is equal to 1 plus or minus 47 square root 47 I. So here we have the value of x. So from here we have two values. X1 is equal to 1 plus square root 47 times I square root 47 times I. It is x1, and the x2 is 1 minus square root 47 times I. Once we wrote it with the plus sign, and the second time wrote it with the negative sign. So we will use this equation to find out the value of y now by using these values of x. Y1 is equal to, because x1, then we will write y1 2 minus x1. Now insert the value of x. Y1 is equal to 2 minus x1 is equal to 1 plus square root 47 times I. So it is equal to y1 is equal to 2 minus 1 minus plus give 1 minus 47 square root times I. So it is equal to y1 is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1 minus square root 47 I. It is y1. Now x2, from x2 we will calculate y2, 2 minus x2, 2 minus x2. So here we will insert the value of x. 2 minus 1 minus square root 47 I. Y2 is equal to 2 minus 1 minus plus square root 47 I. So y2 is here, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 plus square root 47 I, square root 47 I. So y1 and y2 we have calculated from x1 and x2. So here our x1 and y1, the solution set, first solution set is 1 plus square root 47 I, and the value of y1 is 1 minus square root 47 I. It is the first solution set, and the second solution set is x2 y2. It is the second solution set. It is equal to 1 x2 is here 1 minus square root 47 I, and y2 is 1 plus square root 47 I. So now we need to check our equation is now we will check these values. X plus y is equal to 2. So we will use the first solution set, and we will write left hand side is equal to x plus y. Now plug in the value of x and y here. So we will insert the values 1 plus square root 47 I plus 1 minus square root 47 I plus 1 minus square root 47 I, 47 I, square root 47 I. Now we can write it 1 plus square root 47 I plus 1 minus square root 47 I. Now square root 47 I will cancel out with square root 47 I, and we will have 2 which is equal to right hand side. So It is proved with the first equation. Now the second equation, the product of xy is equal to 48. Now we will take left hand side of this equation. Left hand side is equal to xy. So the value of x 1 plus square root 47 I bracket, and value of y 1 minus square root 47 I. Now it is the form of a square minus b square. We can write it 1 square minus square root 47 I whole square. So now we can write square root of 1 is 1 minus square root 47 square times I square. So in the next step, 1 minus square root will go with the square. Here square root go with the square, and we will write 47. I square is minus 1. So in the next step, 1 minus minus is plus 47, which is equal to 48, which is equal to right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side here. So it is proved. Now the values, the solution set x1, y1, x2, y2, it is the required solution sets. The answer of this question, it is the answer. So that's all about this question. All steps are very important. The methods that we have used, the formulas that we have used, all are very important. Don't forget these steps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more solutions. Bye.